Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with a next one.
Yes.
Yeah, so in today's video we'll be making like we don't even know what to name it. Yeah. A creamy chicken Alfredo cheesy pasta with some strawberry mix up nice, turned way up, lemon daiquiri, some red mix up here, guys. We're kind of showing you how we can have a lovely like a restaurant quality dinner at home.
Yeah guys, so stay tuned and make sure you know watch up some ads, like up the video, comment down below if you don't know how to cook it, or if you know cook it before, give you some tips on it.
Yeah, and comment down below what you would want to see next. All the food is just out there, just state it, because we're on a trying food thing right now.
You see my hot? Place hot.
Alright guys.
Yeah, so
later.
Stay tuned for the video guys.
Bye.
Alright guys, so I'll be seasoning the chicken now with these lovely seasoning that you're seeing. I'm flinging on the counter now. Them lovely stuff here. Maggie, should not advertise Maggie from start. You told me and reach out to Maggie and can't reach out to me yet. Such is life. Them little something me I put in there. I don't know how this tastes. I first may use it white pepper. We know how it tastes today. If you don't know, she should come back on the channel. She did. White pepper killer.
So we my bear me do people.
Anyways guys, I've added a little complete seasoning in it. As you can see them something here in it.
What on there? Tell me what that in the what that in a run chicken, what liquid that?
Oh, chicken thighs. I want I can't get them. I can't, but I know. Alright guys, I'm back. Chicken thighs embarrass me. But yeah, these are chicken thighs. Let me dice up into them little pieces here. Yeah. One of them the bigger than that. It's not big yard cooking we're doing around here. You know, Shalika love enough cooking. Alright, so that is that. I'll put no more of that in there. Put some black pepper. Alright guys, I'm going to add some onion powder to our chicken thighs. Yeah, the onion powder and the salt in this, you can dash out all of this in there if you want. Not gonna taste good, but okay. I'll add some white pepper. Never used it before, so I'm not add a lot. I don't know if it's hot. Don't smell hot. Hopefully not turn out like the so-called lemon pepper we'll buy, because that never hot. Not even tastes like lemon, just tastes like bag salt. And I'm gonna add some Maggi. Add some Maggi, just I use all of this. Yes, and that is that. Oh, allow me to tell. Adding into bowl and cube at night, and then it will be that.
So you're not using a fresh seasoning?
Nope.
Wow!
Jesus. Probably dice up some.
Put
so that when me
but even the little hot pepper.
When it cook down, don't like it chicken. And I tell you. Shadika don't love it though. You wouldn't catch Shadika and any of this. I'm sure I'll eat it. Shadika love the finished product. But you know how good it is.
Really, me at the bien.
Yes.
I mean, you see the two of them and them full up. Give people them the good nice shot, okay?
Alright guys, so that is that. Check me back when I put them lovely something here. And them on here where I used. Them here where I put. So check me back when I put them in the boiling water. Guys, so we are going to add these into the boiling water. All that's not water, like salt. Not a lot. Don't want to get pressure now, young here. People tell me if I'm greedy. That look like a lot for 3 people? Done it? Okay. I'm gonna hear she whisper and tell me to do it. Alright. Alright guys, so cut up some. I'm going to cut up some onion now, some garlic, sweet pepper.
Hot pepper?
And hot pepper. So link my back for that. Alright guys, so I have here before me sweet pepper, garlic, tomato. We also did butter, so I chop it out. Hot pepper, onion. So I gotta dice them up now, so that when we make the sauce, we just put them in it, so that it have a little, you know, little more flavor and fun. So make we begin. That come like the corkscrew with up on the onion. You lift up that, you smell everything.
All of this in under 4 minutes, guys.
Yes, people. So link we back when we are fry up the chicken. Alright guys, so chicken I go fry now, so I use some vegetable oil.
Coconut oil done, people.
Yeah, coconut oil done. Can't bother. Alright guys, so we are drop the chicken thighs. You hear that lovely sizzle. You know, to the oil hot. You can use chicken breast or whatever you want, make sure for the pieces then cut small.
But prefer the thighs, you know, they make juicy and
yeah,
nicer.
Yeah. Good. Wouldn't say nicer, but then tasty.
Me would have said nicer.
That's how you use chicken breast and nice, you know. Alright guys, so the power YouTube and YouTube editing. All the chicken them done half fry. I'm gonna fry them out because
you might cook down another
a
sauce.
chicken thigh and then cut small. Yes. So, alright guys, so I'm gonna add a little piece of butter.
Alright guys, so we'll be making a roux, so we'll add the butter first.
Don't watch the
color. Yeah,
watch the color.
Now watch the color.
Leave the color.
So add in the roux. So butter, then we'll add a little bit of flour, probably about 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to mix that in very quickly. To fry out that flour taste and thicken it up. Then we're going to add about 1 small box of milk.
The color, your roux determines the color of the Alfredo will look.
Yeah.
So, let this bubble a little bit.
And you have the flour, you don't want that raw taste. So the flour will cook a little bit.
Alright guys, so I'll be adding them big chunk of something here right now. As you know, let's see when I cut them up earlier. I know see pepper, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, and tomato. So I make one like this. Cook up a little bit. Then we throw the milk in it.
Along with the cheeses.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so we'll be adding the milk now. Surge 100%
full cream milk.
Well, what it don't look the same in the camera, but the color, I don't know if you can see, but the color we have now.
The color, well.
Other color that the sauce I will have. Probably the color of the other cheese will change it, but other color that I got poured or something for me. Tap.
You know, so enough person to be a bit, I mean, kind of a little bit of sauce that.
No, want it boil up.
Okay.
I'm trying the rest.
As you may have to use 1.5 box because this is a lot of pasta.
Don't matter. Alright guys, link you back when this a bubble up. Alright guys, after some of the milk boil out.
I want beet or any people.
The milk that no cheese now, nothing not going there yet. Yeah, so I put in this. What kind of cheese is again?
Mozzarella.
It never want to come out. Got to do what I got to do. It come out now.
Oh my goodness. And then we're going to add the tasty cheese as well.
mix up this because see how this are melt out.
So you get thick and nice already.
Jesus, look at people. Wanna see that?
Go again.
String. String. Now we have put tasty tough cheese in.
Yeah, I need some more milk.
Yeah. Boy.
But me I wait a man no minute here, no so you need the milk.
Come on, go for the milk, bring it come. Quick.
So fast if I'm go for milk people, me tell Orient say I need the second box, you know. They are fight with me. But oh no!
Alright, we're back in business now.
I've been telling you I need. Man, put out the milk. Ah, it's hot milk. You're wicked, do you? The sauce looking nice though, guys.
I'm gonna dash in some powder for
Yeah, you have to season this as well. But we're gonna melt out the cheese a little bit more because you know the cheddar, the Jamaican cheddar cheese, it's full of beer fat, so it is harder to melt.
I don't know what Shalika talking about, but this was not Jamaican cheddar cheese. I mean, shred it. This pot smells like a pizza. So guys, I put a little black pepper on it.
White pepper.
I'm stingy with the black pepper. I'm gonna put a little white pepper. As I said, I never used the white pepper before, so I'm gonna go overboard with it. I'm gonna add a little onion powder. And then we're gonna put a little toots of complete spice, because salt in there. I'm gonna try to salt the food.
And 1 cube of Maggi.
Yes, and a Maggi bouillon. I guess. Alright, put a 1 bouillon cube in there.
So guys, we're not ramp when it comes to seasoning up. Fresh seasoning in it, well diced up as you can see, as well as the powders.
My ancestors have talked to me, so I just
yeah, listen.
yeah, listen, you know?
Them say add in the pepper and add in the more complete, because guess what, it never complete without the complete.
What was that, Father Kunta Kente? Little sugar? Alright, Father, alright.
Or in a wash way.
Yeah, man,
you
this
see?
is art, man.
No, sir.
Father Kunta Kente said to pass it sugar.
You see, when you're conversing with the, you know, the ancestral,
You know, the spirits, you want them talk to you.
you want to put some spirit in it too?
Alright, people, now put all of this in there because we don't want it sweet. Alright, so look at the golden flakes, and that is that. Alright, guys, we're throwing the chicken thighs. Hot. Jesus. This is why I don't like to be early.
Blow! Me catch a whiff of the sauce a while ago. Oh, me taste it at that. You see that steam there? Right up in my mouth that come. I know what taste buds do. It's a, I eat that. I eat this.
If extra was a person.
I mean it.
Taste this. See if we can pass a little spoon for you.
Really, now I want to taste that at all you greedy do.
Ready? Alright, time for the switch over. See how this look nice? Jesus.
Scrape out every last scums. People, all this goodness can't go to waste. To stir it up. It smells so good. Oh God, look at that stirry. Look at that creaminess. Look at the gooiness. Alright guys, so we're in the mix up part of the video right now. So I'll be making the juice. Of course, I am the mixologist. So I'll be using my ninja. Of course, we have the different sets, the bigger one, but the smaller one actually gets it the smoothest. So I prefer to use it. And I may do probably 2 blend because I want to at least, you know, even halfway or a quarter of this job. So First, I'm going to make a strawberry Smirnoff ice. I'm going to be using actually the guarana version to be make a strawberry Smirnoff daiquiri. So go have the mixology strawberry daiquiri and margarita mixer. This version hasn't been the best for, or I guess probably taste buds. Yeah, or I'm not really like it. I don't mix it straight, so when I do it, it's not really an issue. But we're gonna try a different one next time. So we have this. You can just use a regular lemon or lime juice, but I got this from my granny, and bumper, it tastes so nice. So it have to use them. Guarana is one of my favorite Smirnoff ice whenever I have white rum, so this was the best way to make it non-virgin daiquiri. And yeah, ice of course. So first what I'm gonna do is put in ice. So when I give ice, I may use this entire tray plus more. So
this is going to serve for everybody? One yam for everybody?
No, I just said I'll probably do 2 blend up and just pour it in this here.
Okay.
Alright, so put in the ice. Ice. Alright, so first I put all these in the freezer to make them cool, except for the lime juice though. But you have the ice. So we're gonna pour over some of this. Oh yes guys, I almost forgot an important part of it as well to make it taste even better. The added secret ingredient.
Syrup?
Prime strawberry syrup. So this is going to help it to carry to the next level. So I'm going to add a little bit of it as well, because I mean it's syrup, it's sweet.
Look, man, should I a little bit?
That's a little. Then we're going to add in the lime. This is it's concentrate, so it's very sour. So you want to add in a little bit. Okay.
So you're a little bit to do.
And then guarana. Can add in a little bit of that. Then we're going to cover this up.
May I would have fight if you put a little bit of that?
Cover this up. Then we're going to probably do about
2 spins?
No, we're going to do 2 cups for empty it out.
Okay.
So shred it properly. Not everything. Alright, yep. Ready?
Do it with caution because the ice kind of... Look at the color, people.
So first, I don't know if people cook or do anything without tasting it. So I'm going to taste it to ensure that the flavor is right. Dump it into, already jug, keep it in the freezer, and do 1 more blend. Because I want enough to serve for 3 people more than one time. So, shit, so I'm cutting my ice tray, but I'm going to plan to use all of the ice, so I'll wash it out afterwards.
That's how it is.
First taste.
Nice, don't it? Nobody drink it off. Oh, you can don't know, Mama. I don't know.
Taste it now.
Okay.
What you want?
It want a cup.
You want a cup? Alright, so guys. As I said, we have the bigger blender, but I prefer to use the smaller one because it's much smoother. And I want to keep it stored in the freezer. So I'm just going to dump it out. Nice and smooth. And do 1 more blend. And I think that's going to be it for tonight. Put all this into the freezer.
You can see the difference. You see the 2 layer of pink.
Hold on, let me change the jug. I don't know what this is dirty. Go again. You can see the difference.
Yeah, you can see the difference. Yeah. It's blending now, but yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna get a little mix round. Cover it up and put it in the freezer until we're ready to serve.
Yeah. So alright guys, that's it for the video.
We're gonna wash up and serve.
Yeah.
I know I can't have dirty kitchen.
Also, I can't serve now the kitchen.
So I'll fix up the place.
Yeah.